Do you ever feel like you are living below your potential? What if I told you that right now, within you, lies the power to reshape your destiny, achieve your dreams, and awaken the unstoppable force inside you? That's exactly what Tony Robbins teaches in his life-changing book Awaken the Giant Within. In this video, we'll uncover powerful insights from this transformational book that can help you take charge of your emotions, your finances, and your life in just a few simple steps. Welcome to Notable Journey. If you're new here, we dive deep into the most influential books to uncover life lessons that can transform the way you think, act, and live. Today, we are exploring Awaken the Giant Within by Tony Robbins, a book that has helped millions of people around the world master their emotions, break limiting beliefs, and create the life of their dreams. One of the most powerful messages in Awaken the Giant Within is that you have the ability to control your emotions. Tony Robbins argues that emotions are the foundation of our actions. If you can master your emotions, you can master your life. He uses a great analogy. Think of your emotions like a thermostat. If you can change the setting, you can change your experience of life. For example, let's say you are feeling anxious about an upcoming job interview. Instead of spiraling into self-doubt, you can consciously shift your emotional state to confidence by focusing on past successes, deep breathing, and positive affirmations. In essence, you control how you feel, and that's your superpower. Tony Robbins emphasizes that our lives are shaped by the decisions we make. Every single day, you are making choices, whether to stay in your comfort zone or push beyond it. Robbins states, it is in your moments of decision that your destiny is shaped. Here's a relatable example. Let's say you want to get healthier. The decision to eat junk food or opt for a salad may seem small, but over time, these choices shape the trajectory of your life. Small, consistent actions can lead to monumental results. So, ask yourself, are your daily decisions aligned with the life you want to create? Have you ever thought about the invisible chains holding you back? Tony Robbins calls these limiting beliefs, the deeply ingrained thoughts that tell you I'm not good enough, or you could never do that. In Awaken the Giant Within, Robbins shows us how to break free from these mental chains and replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Imagine you've always believed that you are terrible at public speaking. That belief has likely stopped you from trying new opportunities or growing. But what if you challenged that belief? What if you told yourself, I am becoming a better speaker every day? This small shift in perspective could open up a world of possibilities for you. Robbins also teaches us to dream big. He calls it setting massive, compelling goals that pull you forward. These aren't your typical New Year's resolutions. We're talking about goals that ignite a fire in you, goals that excite and even scare you a little. Think of an audacious goal you've always wanted to achieve. Maybe it's starting your own business, running a marathon, or writing a book. According to Robbins, these massive goals are the key to unlocking the giant within. They give you the motivation and momentum to keep pushing even when times get tough. So there you have it, 4 powerful lessons from Awaken the Giant Within that can change the course of your life. Control your emotions, make better decisions, break your limiting beliefs, and set massive goals. These tools are within your reach. Remember, you have the power to shape your destiny. If you enjoyed this breakdown of Tony Robbins' book, make sure to subscribe to Notable Journey for more book summaries and life lessons. Let's awaken the giant within us, one step